Hello students, welcome to iExamB and embrace the iExamB learning experience. Students, as you are aware that GIC has come up with the notification. So here in this video, I'll be going ahead and discussing about the GIC AM Legal 4-week study plan and preparation strategy. Okay, so I have come up with a study plan, a preparation strategy which you can basically use for your preparation for this particular examination. But before I go ahead and discuss about the study plan and the preparation strategy, let me tell you that we at iExamB, we have an online course with respect to the GIC examination. We have course for the different streams and स्पेसिफिकली टॉकिंग अबाउट द लीगल स्ट्रीम के GIC कोर्स में आपको वीडियो लेसन्स मिलेंगे, स्टडी नोट्स मिलेंगे. दीज स्टडी नोट्स आर क्रिस्प, दे आर you can say very precise exam oriented notes, and these have been specifically designed by the expert faculties. We have test. आपको पता है किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के प्रिपरेशन के लिए टेस्ट प्लेज अ वेरी क्रूशियल रोल अपार्ट फ्रॉम ऑल अदर थिंग्स. सो टेस्ट जो है हम वेरियस फॉर्म्स में आपको प्रोवाइड करते हैं. यू कैन सी चैप्टर टेस्ट आर देयर, सेक्शन टेस्ट आर देयर, देन फुल लेंथ प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट, मॉक टेस्ट आर देयर फॉर ईच ऑफ द पार्ट्स व्हिच इज देयर इन द एग्जामिनेशन. I hope you must be aware of the exam pattern. Else you can go ahead and watch our Legal Beat channel wherein you can get the exam pattern, the expected syllabus, everything. Then for the descriptive paper, there is evaluation system as well as personal feedback. Personal feedback is very important when you are preparing for the descriptive part, because usse aapko pata chalega exactly which all areas you need to work upon. Then there are doubt clearing classes wherein you can come up with your doubts and our expert faculties will be clearing those doubts. And finally, we have the GD and interview guidance also in this particular course. So if you want to enroll, you can go ahead and connect to us through the phone number which is there on the screen. Apart from this, we have also come up with an exclusive workshop which is going to be held today itself. So 6th of December, which is today at 8 p.m, we are going to have a workshop with respect to the GIC examination. In this particular workshop, you will be guided through everything you need to go ahead and know about the exam. If you have say any of the doubts or you want to ask any questions, queries with respect to this exam, you can ask, because we will be having experts from each of the streams, you can say general, finance, insurance, legal and IT, who will be there in the workshop today, so that all your doubts with respect to GIC examination can be clarified. Now talking about the study plan, as I was mentioning, so you can see that this is GIC AM Legal 2024 study plan. इस study plan में आपको काफी सारी details मिल जाएंगी which is very crucial आपके exam के preparation के लिए. Okay, so you can see selection procedure क्या है, that has also been mentioned over here. And then we have the exam pattern जो कि specialist स्ट्रीम के लिए अगर हम बात करें तो यहाँ पे पार्ट ए है जिसमें आपका टेक्निकल या प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज या फिर आप कह लो लीगल डोमेन से आपके क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. देन वी हैव पार्ट बी विच इज कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ रीजनिंग, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज जिसमें एम्फोसिस होगा ग्रामर एंड वोकैबुलरी पे. देन GA है एंड देन न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी एंड कंप्यूटर लिटरेसी. एंड पार्ट सी जो है हमारा डिस्क्रिप्टिव इंग्लिश है जहां आपको ऐसे प्रेसी एंड कॉम्प्रिहेंशन आएगा. ओके, एंड द मार्क्स हैव बीन also mentioned, the number of questions and the time durations also for each of these parts you can see over here. Then we have the negative marking which is very important. आपको ध्यान रखना है negative marking है इस एग्जाम में. Sectional cutoff is not present, so that is not there. Then vacancy trends भी आप check कर सकते हो 2016, 19, 2021, 2023 and now we have 2024. 9 vacancies are there, so you can check this also in this study plan. Previous year cutoffs वो भी यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो. बेसिकली 2019 एंड 2021 को कंसिडर किया हमने बिकॉज 2024 का पैटर्न जो एग्जामिनेशन का है दैट इज सिमिलर टू 2021 एंड 2019, तो उसके कट ऑफ को हम कंसिडर करेंगे बिकॉज 2023 में देयर वाज अ डिफरेंट एग्जाम पैटर्न बिकॉज देयर वाज नो टेक्निकल डोमेन रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस बीइंग आस्क्ड, सिर्फ हाई लेवल रीजनिंग था. ठीक है, तो ये आप चेक कर सकते हो यहाँ कट ऑफ भी. As I mentioned you earlier that we have GIC AM Legal online course. If you want to enroll, you can go ahead and enroll yourself in this particular course, and you can avail all the benefits which the course is providing for your better preparation. Then we have our study plan, which I was talking about. तो legal stream का study plan देख सकते हो. There is approximately 4 weeks. तो week 1, 2, 3, 4 में मैंने जो है आपके different parts को divide किया है. जैसे week 1 में आप देख सकते हो quantitative aptitude से there are certain areas जो कि आप cover up कर सकते हो. Then reasoning से, then you have English grammar में rules of grammar and essay. So if you are comfortable or you have a good understanding of the rules of grammar, you can skip that. You can take any of the topics which are mentioned in the further weeks. Okay, so that you can take up. Then you have general awareness related things to be read. तो week 1 में आप Wikipedia जो है वो ले सकते हो, पढ़ सकते हो अगस्त का. So general awareness में 4 to 5 months you have to emphasize. So you can cover accordingly in each of these weeks. Then we have the computer knowledge, जहाँ introduction with respect to computer strategy is there. Then history and generations of computer है. Then further components है. Then hardware, software, memory, ये सब के बारे में आपको knowledge होनी चाहिए. And now coming to our professional knowledge, that is legal. Actually ये जो है आपका expected syllabus है, which we will be taking into consideration from the previous years, ठीक है, until unless any syllabus is being provided. So आप देख सकते हो प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज में, क्योंकि ये इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर का एग्जाम है, तो वीक 1 में आपका फोकस होना चाहिए इंश्योरेंस रिलेटेड लॉज से. यू नीड टू कवर ऑल दोज. देन यू कैन एड ऑन CPC लिमिटेशन एक्ट, IBC रजिस्ट्रेशन एक्ट, स्पेसिफिक रिलीफ एक्ट. सो बेसिकली ईच ऑफ दीज वीक्स, वीक 1, 2, 3, 4 में आपका जो मिक्स ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू प्रायोरिटी किस सब्जेक्ट को देना चाहिए, हाई वेटेज किसका होगा, ऑब्वियसली इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर है तो इंश्योरेंस रिलेटेड. देन mix of easy and tough topics like that. I have basically kept these various laws for each of these weeks. इस पर्टिकुलर स्टडी प्लान को आप इम्प्रोवाइज कर सकते हो अपने अकॉर्डिंग, इसमें चेंजेस कर सकते हो so that you can use it as a base. Say if any of these weeks there is certain law which you are having a good command on, then you can basically go ahead and practice the questions directly with respect to that. So accordingly अब week 2 में देखो constitution है, arbitration है, transfer of property है, then evidence act, IT act, all these are there. Then week 3 में भी IPC, CRPC, motor vehicles, contract act, labor laws, all these are there. And last week में आपका companies act, RTI act, negotiable instrument act, competition act, all these have been covered, and finally your exam date will be there. Now as I was talking about the expected syllabus, तो इस study plan में आपको expected syllabus भी मिल जाएगा, which is as I mentioned based on the previous year syllabus. Okay, so you can go through this particular syllabus जिसमें उन्होंने 4 categories में divide किया था. पहले अपना उन्होंने insurance laws and regulations को रखा था, then constitutional, administrative and civil laws. Then we have the miscellaneous laws जिसमें companies act, labor laws, RTI, everything is there. And then we have the legal language and legal current affairs. So this is all you need to focus till the time any syllabus is provided. We went through the study plan, other informations, everything. But किसी भी एग्जाम के प्रिपरेशन के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्या होता है, स्ट्रैटेजी. एक स्ट्रैटेजी आपकी होनी बहुत जरूरी है so that you can prepare in a well planned manner. तो अगर मैं आपके 3 strategies की बात करूं which you have to keep in mind while preparing for the GIC exam is time management. ठीक है, so time management एक बहुत important role play करता है, that is very crucial, you know that. So आपको क्या ensure करना है कि आप practice करो questions को solve करने का with the allotted time. ठीक है, स्पेसिफिक टाइम पीरियड में आपको क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करना है, आपको अपने स्पीड को इम्प्रूव करना है, तो आपको टाइम मैनेजमेंट पे ध्यान देना है. सेकेंडली प्रायोरिटाइज की कॉन्सेप्ट्स, की टॉपिक्स. ओके, सो आपको फोकस करना है ऑन द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स फर्स्ट. ओके, से एज इट इज इंश्योरेंस रिलेटेड एग्जाम्स, इंश्योरेंस लॉज पे, देन बेसिक लॉज है, फिर इफ सम लेटेस्ट अमेंडमेंट्स आर देयर, ऑल दीज यू हैव टू प्रायोरिटाइज. फिर आपका रेगुलर रिविजन. Ensure that you are setting aside a time every week so that you can revise what you have already learned. क्योंकि जो regular revision है that is basically reinforcement to your memory which is very much needed. ठीक है, and वो help करेगा आपके confidence को boost करने में. So that is very important. So you have to ensure that you are revising on a regular basis. And last but not the least is the mock test. I have always been emphasizing कि mock test बहुत ही important है. किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के प्रिपरेशन में। तो आपको इंश्योर करना है कि आप रेगुलरली मॉक टेस्ट अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हो, आप अपने प्रोग्रेस को ट्रैक कर रहे हो, विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड यू आर गेटिंग फेमिलियर विद द एग्जाम फॉर्मेट एंड एवरीथिंग एंड द एरियाज यू नीड टू बेसिकली इम्प्रूव। तो आपके पास जो अब ये 4 वीक्स का टाइम बचा है, यू हैव टू एंश्योर दैट you are using it in the best possible way and you are working upon everything which is required to ace this particular exam. So ये strategies आपको ध्यान में रखने हैं. Wishing you all the best for your preparation. In case if you feel that you have any questions, queries or doubt, you can connect us through the email ID or the phone number which is displayed on the screen, and we are there to help you out with your preparation. Do remember to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon so that you can make your preparations 50% faster with us at our exam.